particular religion openly went against our government in those days, or openly done against the NDA. And that religion has tremendous followers in those days. So that has made the difference. It is not a political defeat, because nobody can fight with a religion.
Ketua Kadi Gajing Kran Joko Himanta Biswa Sarma umatirang ba ka Assam ubalang ka Joko Pol Uchaman ka Neda bo noilam ka BJP hak bo lakno ba ka daw ka jingram jiki kartong ka NDA po Meghalaya Assam ba kidi ka jila ka dei namar ba ka dan ko wikan Niam ka beli Arab ba ka lele persya ya ka sarkar NDA ne ki parti ka dunia ka NDA ba din ba ka daw ki parti ki bertilang ka NDA ki laram ha ka ni ka election haki jila ka thais tilam ingi ka Meghalaya Nagaland ba Manipur. Halor kini ke jingkran jong Himanta Biswa Sarma nakalang President jaka Voice of the People Party uba Ardent mila basayambait haka video statement bolo ai mata kasngi ula panem jor jekani ke jingkran jong Himanta taka baong baki brio hapo Meghalaya lani kinong songsnong jong ka Meghalaya kidi ki brio ki start baki suthu ban Jied yo kortong lani kono kono ka party uang bakum ki kerstan ni kom kinong songsnong jokari India kimla ban Jied yo kortong naka party ka bayang persya ya karti sensar jokari India baknyat ben ye keret pat bal kabalong ke jengmaru ye ki paidbah nong song badan ulaong ba Himanta Biswa Sarma udun pek suai kayeng gayeng kesam lajong umdi bantuklar sui pat ki benta ndi sabar jong ke jela ke jong u susu uba adan ulaong ru bakem kinong song jokari India ke benar ka hak thavut ki dan ka hak ban Jied yo nu kortong nani ka parti ka baki kis ngomon barki kis ngoy ha.
This is a message that I would like to send to Mr. Himanta Biswa Sarma, the Chief Minister of Assam, who seems to be a habitual loose talker, that he should mind his own business and should rather look at his own backyard. He has no right whatsoever to interfere into the affairs of the state of Meghalaya as far as the recent concluded parliamentary election is concerned. In a democratic country like India, the people of Meghalaya have the right to choose or elect any person as long as he is the citizen of India and qualified for the candidature. The people of Meghalaya are not so naive not to know about the aims, objectives, agendas and manifestos of political parties that are taking part in this election. And as the citizens of this democratic country, we have the liberty to choose any party we like. I strongly condemn the statement made by Mr. Himanta Biswa Sarma that a particular religion in Meghalaya was the cause for the defeat of the NDA candidate in this parliamentary election. I would also like to tell him that the church in Meghalaya has never ever involved in any electoral politics. However, as a community, we will choose to elect a party or a candidate which believe in the Constitution of India, respect the provision of the Constitution of India, belief in secularism, and the party that protects the interests of the minority communities. Therefore, you cannot expect that as a Christian, I will vote or elect a person who belongs to a party that stands against the Constitution of India, that is not circular, and which is also a threat to the minority in the country. And that is the right of every citizen to decide. Therefore, I strongly condemn his statement, which was not the fact, which was unfounded, baseless, and communal in nature. His statement, to my mind, was only to mislead the people and try to create communal disharmony in the country. And I'm sure that his many statements have really brought shame to the people of Assam and has greatly affected the sentiments of the people of Meghalaya. So once again, I condemn his statement, and it is unbecoming on the part of the Chief Minister to pass such kind of a remark against another state in the country.